Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. Many of you are preparing for SEBI Legal 2025 exam. And if you are one among of them, then please start your preparation right now. Don't delay any longer. There are high chances of SEBI Legal notification coming in July or August. And you have hardly 3 to 4 months to the exam. So if you are planning to attempt 2025 exam, if you are planning to clear this exam this year, then don't delay any longer and start with your preparation. In this video, I'll give you details about the exam and I'll also share a study plan with you which can help you in your preparation ahead. So first of all, looking at the SEBI legal exam trend. Over the past 4 years, how has SEBI legal recruitment been announced? What has been the vacancy trend, application trend and the cutoff trend? Number of vacancies in 2020 were 34. The number of applications were around 13,950. 7,428 students appeared for phase 1. You can read the details. I don't need to read all of this. But I can give you an idea. There were 34 vacancies in 2020. Remember, 2020 was the year when there was COVID, because of which the 2020 recruitment concluded in 2021. After that, in 2022, you had another recruitment in January 2022. The number of vacancies were 16. Then in the following year, in 2023, we saw a recruitment somewhere in June, July. The number of vacancies were 25. And again in 2024, same in June or July, we saw a recruitment. The number of vacancies were 5. And this year in 2025 also, we are expecting recruitment in July or August. I cannot confirm on the number of vacancies that we can have this year, but yes, there are chances of vacancies coming in all the streams, in general, IT and legal as well. So please start your preparation seriously if you are targeting this year. You hardly get 40-45 days after the announcement of notification till phase 1 and then another 20 to 30 days for phase 2. So within those 3 months, you have to appear for phase 1, phase 2 and then followed by interview. In phase 1, you have 2 papers. Paper 1 is your quant reasoning English GA and paper 2 is your law. In paper 1, there are 80 questions of 100 marks. Every question is of 1.25 marks and here you need only 30 marks. There is no sectional cutoff, so getting only 24 questions absolutely correct with no negative marking can fetch you these 30 marks and paper 1 will be clear for you. In paper 2, you have 50 questions of 100 marks. Every question is of 2 marks to be attempted in 40 minutes. Minimum in this paper, you need 40 marks. But in order to clear phase 1, overall, you need 80 marks. So you have to get additional 10 marks. Usually, I advise to get 10 marks in paper 2. So here you will have to attempt 25 questions with 100% accuracy. Once you get 80 marks or anything above 80, you have cleared phase 1 and these marks are no longer relevant for your phase 2 or your interview. You just need to clear phase 1. The phase 1 syllabus is also released. In phase 1, these are the topics from which you can expect questions and the weightage of every topic is also given. Out of 50 questions, 20% weightage is to constitution, that means 10 questions from here, 12 to 13 questions from contract law, 12 to 13 questions from civil law, 10 questions from admin jurisprudence interpretation and Latin terms maxims, and 5 questions from torts and consumer protection act. Remember, you need to attempt at least 25 questions with 100% accuracy with no negative marking. If you attempt more, you are more confident about more questions, then even if you get few incorrect questions, that will be fine for you. So this is all about the phase 1. I have attached one complete guide in the description. This is the SEBI Grade A Legal Exam Complete Guide. This will give you all the information related to SEBI Legal Exam. You'll get details about the exam, about job profile, career progression, salary perks, vacancy trends, eligibility as per 2024 notification. You'll also know about SEBI and then about the legal exam pattern, syllabus and cutoffs. Then you will have details about the preparation guide. You can check out where you stand by attempting mock test and previous year papers and mention about the SEBI legal course. You can download this exam guide from the description and know all the details about this exam. Be aware of what this exam is about and then you can start your preparation or continue with your ongoing preparation. You can download this exam guide from the description. There are also few snippets of success stories mentioned over here in this guide. This will give you an idea of how in the past the successful SEBI legal candidates have cleared the exam, what strategy they have used, what they say about the exam and about their preparation. So you can even go through these success stories. The links of these success stories are also present in this guide. Just to add, iXambi has been helping students in their preparation of SEBI legal exam over the past 5 years. We started the SEBI legal course in 2020, and over the past 4 recruitments, many of our students have got selected as SEBI legal officers. In 2024, there were 5 vacancies in legal post, and there were 3 selections from iXambi. Prior to that, in 2024, out of 25 vacancies, there were 12 selections from iXambi. And over the past 4 years, over the past 4 recruitments, dream of SEBI legal of many students have came true through iXambi. You can reach out to those SEBI legal candidates on LinkedIn, know more about their preparation strategies, and then you can start your preparation. Then coming to phase 2, in phase 2, you have 2 papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English, in which there is essay, précis, and comprehension. Paper 2 is your law, in which there are 70 multiple choice questions and 3 descriptive questions. This is how the exam is arranged. You will have to target high marks. This cutoff of 30%, 40% just gives the minimum idea. However, the cutoff goes high. The weightage of paper 1 is 1/3, weightage of paper 2 is 2/3. We'll discuss that in some other video, or it is also specified in the exam guide. If you get any doubts after going through the exam guide, you can ask them in the comment below. The syllabus is also released by SEBI. In phase 2, there is criminal law, IPC, CRPC evidence. You will also have to study the new criminal laws here. Then there are corporate laws, Companies Act, LLP, IBC, and then there are security laws, rules, and regulations. Out of the 70 objective questions, the questions are usually divided as per the given weightage. 21 questions are from criminal law and evidence, 21 from corporate law, and 28 questions from securities law. There are also descriptive questions which may come from any of these phase 2 topics. The cutoff for phase 2 goes very high. The cutoff is also specified in the guide. You can check out the cutoffs. I'll make separate videos explaining how these cutoffs are calculated and what score is expected from you. In order to help you with your preparation, in order to help you streamline, give a direction to your preparation, give a daily target to you, I am also attaching study plans for you. There are 2 study plans. One is for fresh or non-working professional and one is for working professional. The difference is that a working professional will be able to devote less time owing to his working commitments. So I am expecting a working professional is able to give 3-4 hours on weekdays and 7 to 8 hours on weekends for SEBI legal preparation. On weekday, the working professional will devote 1 hour to general awareness and 3 to 4 hours to law subjects, while quant, reasoning, English are to be studied over the weekend along with revision, mock test practice over the weekend. There are also links of various courses that iXambi offers. If you are interested in any of these courses, you can click on these links and check out our Megabee Legal course, SEBI Legal course, SEBI Legal Phase 2 online course, RBI Legal. All these courses are being provided by iXambi. Below this, you will find the study plan. In the study plan, you will get week-wise, day-wise details of what topics you should study on a daily basis to cover up the syllabus in detail. Similarly, as I have mentioned, there is also a study plan attached in the description for freshers or non-working aspirants. Now, the idea is that since you are not working, you have dedicated full time into your preparation, and thus on a daily basis, you'll be able to commit more time to your preparation. So I'm expecting you to give a minimum of 7 to 8 hours to your preparation. This may vary depending upon your preparation level, upon the understanding of the student. You will also prepare GA on a daily basis. You will devote 1 hour to GA and another 4-5 hours to law subjects. In addition to this, you will give 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis to either quant, reasoning, or English, whichever subject you plan to prepare for paper 1. And accordingly, I have customized your study plan. You'll find the links for various online courses available in the study plan as well. You can click on those links to check out the various courses that iXambi is offering. Here is your detailed study plan. So devoting 1 to 1.5 hours to GA, devoting 2 hours to reasoning, and then devoting another 3-4 hours to constitution. So this is how you will be studying. If there is any topic which you are well versed with and you may need less time for that topic, do not waste the rest of your day. Pick up another topic and try to cover up as much syllabus as possible. This will help you when the notification comes and when you will shift to your revision phase, practicing and attempting mock test. You can download all these three documents from the description: the complete guide, the study plan for working professionals, and the study plan for non-working professionals. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can also write them down in the comment below. We are soon coming forward with a new batch for SEBI Grade A Legal online course. For this exam preparation, there will be regular classes for quant, reasoning, English, and legal. Indira ma'am and I will be conducting those classes on a regular basis. If you have any doubts, any questions about this course, you want to know more about this course offering, you can reach out to us on this number 7678416917. We'll try to address all your queries. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with the Exambee and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.